Can you see the screen okay? Donna?
Yes, I am able to see the screen in a separate portion. It's viewable.
Good. Okay, so you can see the things that are coming up?
Yes.
Perfect.
Available with all life.
Yes, excluding the EVUL. So VUL is variable universal life, and so you won't see variable universal life very much. Probably about 10, 15 years ago, that was a hot item, but now not so much. They're saying here that the accelerated underwriting works with replacement and business cases, and there is no impact to the agent's compensation, meaning that if they do this program, whether they do it or not, their commissions is not impacted in any way. They will get the same amount percentage that they've agreed upon, whether it's the long app, the short app, it doesn't matter, which is actually a good thing.
Okay.
I can guarantee you if there was an impact in agent compensation to do this program, there would be no program because a lot of agents are really in for it for just the commission. And then you have some that, you know, they're financial advisors and they do insurance on the side. And, you know, it's really important to them that their client, you know, financial advisors, they become part of the family. You know, they go to your daughter's wedding and they're part of the birthday parties and stuff like that because they know everything about your financial status. So a great financial advisor usually is somebody that you really rely on, you know, somebody that's there for you and you can trust. But, you know, some of the GAs that we work with, that's not their niche. You know, the type of clientele that they get is, you know, strictly just term insurance, or they never get to meet the client. Every general agency is different. Would I say that right, Lori?
Yeah, so sometimes they're motivated by just how much money they can make.
True. So here they're saying that they're targeting preferred and super preferred clients.